No, sir.
Say yes.
No, sir.
सर स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही
कोई है?
Sir,
और ये
Able
बस
to see the screen of mine?
इसकी screen दिख रही है, sir.
Capricious दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Capricious.
change. Wonderful rubric from Nair. Very nice. You can see 20 remedy Nair of learning. The remedies are alumina, cocculus, crocus. Patient have crocus nowadays. Ignatius, we have a lot of Ignatia patient platina. Now this using it, but we should use. There are many mental symptoms. We should future में मिलेगा तब इसको भी study करेंगे. Fertira, we have carbo animalis, we have China. Now this Eupatorium pur. Eupatorium pur is also have one important mental symptom. Who will tell me? Pur. I have given my understanding about
होम सिकनेस
Homesickness.
Very nice, very nice. So we have homesickness with infertility cases. We should think about Eupatorium pur. Then we have
Yes, sir.
Macar, we have Sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla has problem with friendship. Yaad rakhna, this Sarsaparilla people have lot to do with friends that we have in phosphorus like. Being friendless, we have Macar. Similarly, the problem with Sarsaparilla also. So I had a case of Sarsaparilla where she had problem with friends. So think about friend and Sarsaparilla. Then we have Stramonium, then we have Chinkam. These all are fickle remedies or changeable remedies. So we have only 3 remedy in fickle that are Nux moschata, Apis and Asafoetida. Now fickle के साथ अगर हम फाटक को देखते हैं, आई विल शो यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट अबाउट फाटक क्या है. सो अब ये देखिए एग्जैगरेटिंग हर सिम्टम वी हैव एसोफेटिया. मिला आपको? स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
We have Asafoetida, Chamomilla and Plumbum. Now fickleness is the remedy of Asafoetida. You can add Nux moschata in exaggerating her symptom. This patient of mine was also exaggerating her symptom. When you see such patient, think about almost 4 remedies just given in complete. I will show you the complete now. Exaggerating her symptom. So exaggerating her symptom. ये मिला आपको? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
See, wonderfully it is given. Asafoetida, Chamomilla, Nux moschata, Plumbum, and this remedy flavors. This remedy should also be learned from Julian. So we learn in near future flavors remedy. For you can add this Nux moschata in Fatak repertory. I have done with my students. They have already added. I think they have added. So add Nux moschata in exaggerating her symptom into फाटक रेपेटी. मैं क्या करता हूँ, जो कंप्लीट में दिया है थोड़ा थोड़ा करके फाटक में आप ऐड करते जाओ और फाटक will be a wonderful repertory on your bedside. So when you are seeing a patient, you can see lot of clarity in understanding the patient when Nux moschata is added, because Nux moschata is also a very cynical hysterical remedy for
चाय मुझे नहीं
Magnoliaty.
दी.
Magnoliaty remedy. Okay. Now we'll start again with the slide. Capricious दिख रहा है आपको? Capricious
Yes, sir.
55 remedies in Kent. Now what do you mean by capricious? Capricious is very whimsical and they are very odd in their presentation, and it is less than impulsive, because impulsive persons are agentum where they don't think or they don't reason out. The best example is Sina remedy, which are very capricious. Okay, now we'll move to very interesting rubric from Kent, company desire for alone aggravation. This we have seen in many of our cases. There are 58 remedies in Kent remedy. Okay, we have company. Now this asafoetida needs company. Desire and alone aggravation. Yeah, there you are. Company desire for alone aggravation. Kent. Where is asafoetida? Asafoetida नहीं दिख रहा है. Oh my god. Completed for where is asafoetida? Oh my god. We have asafoetida. I can confirm. Now we'll move forward to different rubric again. So remember this rubric complete and 58 from Crane and 22 from there. Okay. Now the condition. That nani बात
Sir, hello.
that they
Hello.
complaining for the food which is not up to the mark.
Sir, we
So
cannot
the
hear you.
complaint start with that.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hello, no audio.
Why-
सर आपका माइक म्यूट हो गया था बीच में.
Why is it audible?
सर
Okay.
आपका
अभी
माइक
सुन रहे हैं आप?
म्यूट हो गया था बीच में सर.
सुन रहे-
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी सुनाई दे रहा है आपको? अभी
Yes, sir.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
सर करीब
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
से आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Okay. Now we will move. Very interesting rubric that we have is complaining about one's condition. When the person tells you about his complaint and he's very complaining by nature, complaining when one's condition. Yeah, my office condition. We can also see in case. So let's open complete. We have one's condition. very interesting rubric, consolation emulation. We have pulsatilla and asafoetida. Consolation, refuse for our own fortune. This is very nice rubric from Fatak. So we'll see it because this will be a permanent memory. Consolation, consolation, consolation emulation. ये दिख रहा है आप लोग को?
हाँ सर.
Consolation emulation. See, in certain cases, when the consolation is better for them, think about these two remedies, pulsatilla and asafoetida. और ये आप देख रहे हो ना, rubric refuses for one's own misfortune. Very nice remedy is nitric acid. अगर आपको कोई कंसोलेशन दे रहा है, बोलता है कोई बात नहीं, मुझे सांत्वना नहीं चाहिए, मेरे भाग्य में यही दिया हुआ है, मुझे ये दुख ही होगा. Now think of this remedy, nitric acid. When I first saw this rubric, it was very thrilling to me, and I could give in one of my patient the nitric acid. These gems are given in Patak repertory. So you can see this nitric acid. Please remember this rubric from Patak. Right? We will see this consolation emulation. We have this remedy. Now a different one. Now very interesting part. Cheeks tuberculous small in. The single remedy is Patak. From Patak is asafoetida. So let's see this rubric from Patak. Chicks, tubercle, small in. See, only one remedy is asafoetida. Are you able to see this remedy? Say yes.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Properly, sir.
ये
Properly.
बहुत very nice remedy we have asafoetida. Tubercle small in chicks. Cosmetic part. कई लेडीज आते हैं अभी प्रैक्टिस में जहाँ ये चीज को बहुत ही हाईलाइट करते हैं और वो डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाते हैं और वो बहुत ज्यादा कंसर्न होते हैं. समटाइम्स delusion dirty they have, we have used lac caninum, we should also think about asafoetida. मैं आपको हिंट दे रहा हूँ जो प्रैक्टिस में काम आएगी और ये बहुत प्रैक्टिकल है. The rubrics that we have in Patak are very important. One of the rubric is chicks, tubercles, small in. We have asafoetida. Remember this rubric, very interesting rubric. And we move to different slide. Now, very interesting. Any skin affection which is checked, the causation is given by Clark. So we'll see Clark what he gives. So we'll open Clark. In clinical causation, skin checked, check eruption, see suppress eruption, skin. ये asafoetida cases में काफी देखने मिलता है. Remember this case of suppression. Now suppression level अगर आ रहा हो तो lobelia inflata याद रखना and asafoetida also. Okay, there is some problem with network. मैं आपको ऐसे ही proceed करने जा रहा हूँ. Any skin affection which are checked is given in class. Okay, now very interesting part where Massimo gives aversion to her own children. This is given by Massimo. We have Raphanus, we have Cicalcor, we have Conam, Hallonius, Kali iodatum platina, Sepia, then we have Thallium, we have asafoetida, we have Calinatricum and Centoxylum. When the person beats the children, we have Raphanus and Lyco. But in beating children, we have Chelidonium given in Patak. So let's open Patak and see. Let's open Patak. Beats children beats children beats. जब हम लोग ये पेपावेरेसी कर रहे थे, ये रेमेडी बहुत आ रही थी, चेलिडोनियम बीट्स। तो चेलिडोनियम पेशेंट बीट्स देयर चिल्ड्रन, पता नहीं आज प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। रिमेंबर दिस चेलिडोनियम, right? Okay, now move to different slide. Now a very interesting rubric which is coming up is supraorbital neuralgia, which is worse at night and better by pressure and rest. We have Asafoetida from Anam Chaudhary. Now, how to differentiate with aurum? Aurum feels better by warmth. Now, this is very important in aurum cases. In DD with supraorbital, we have even Spiceria, we have Sanguinaria, we also have Asafoetida. When we have a burning in eyes, we have Philendrina. Today I had another case of a lady who had a lot of burning in the right breast, and the remedy was given Phytodeca in 30 potency, and she improved like anything. So even the Philendrinum can be thought about the breast complaint. Philendrinum has the affinity for breast complaint. Okay. Now very interesting rubric exaggerating her symptom. We have Asafoetida, we have Camellia, we have Plumbum, we have Nux mosquita. Please do add in your contact repertory. Then very important rubric that we have is regurgitation, जो खाना खाया बाहर आया, that is the Contact. Then we have selfishness, because this drug is selfish. Which is selfish? Another selfish drug given by Boger. Can anyone tell me which is selfish drug from Boger? Boger has given. Any idea? We have Senecio aureus from Boger. Let's open Boger. Let's see selfish. ये देखा आपने Senecio? Are you able to see Senecio?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो जब आपके पास एमिनोरिया के केस आ रहे हैं, तो think about this Senecio aureus, and Senecio aureus has a affinity for kidney, and they are basically a very selfish person given by Boger, because Boger is very big authority. Believe me, you can bet on that. So in your Mata Medica, you can add Senecio aureus, and it will give you good understanding. So selfish, Senecio aureus. Only one remedy given in Boger, right? So remember this drug Senecio aureus, you can add in your boric Matramatica. This is how you can build up the Matramatica from such repertories. So we'll move to different groups again. Now we have very interesting rubric, weak wheel from Bonningerson. This Asafoetida patients have very weak wheel, not strong will like Ferrum. So let's open Bonningerson and see. So let's see Bonningerson. Weak wheel weak, yeah. So wheel week we have Barretta. देखा आपने 3 marks में Barretta आ रहा है. Barretta, anacardium, arsenic, petroleum, pulsatilla, alumina, antim crude. Are you able to see my slide of Bonningerson repertory?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Thank you. Believe me, this rubric from Bonningerson will give you a very nice information of weak wheel remedies. तो क्या करना है, अगर आप वीक व्हील को देख रहे हो कि इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं मिल रहा है, तो ये आपकी टोटल वीक व्हील रेमेडी है. बिलीव मी, Bonningerson gives very authentic rubrics. So we have first Barretta, we have anacardium, we have arsenic, we have petroleum, we have pulsatilla, we have alumina, we have antim crude, which is lovesick. Asafoetida hysterical, we have bryonia, which is weak wheel. एक इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट बता रहा हूँ. व्हाट मेंटल डिस्पोजिशन इज गिवन अबाउट ब्रायोनिया इन एलन स्कीनॉट. कोई बताएगा मुझे? एलन स्कीनॉट में एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रूब्रिक दिया हुआ है मेंटल का. कोई बताएगा मुझे? ब्रायोनिया के बारे में
इरिटेबल टेम्परामेंट
They cannot stay away from home.
नहीं बेटा, मैं आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बता रहा हूँ ब्रायोनिया का।
सर,
वेरी नाइस।
सर उसमें एंगर से कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं।
मॉडिफिकेशन से होता है उसमें।
कौन सा वर्ड दिया है? कौन सा वर्ड दिया है? नहीं,
Ailments
बहुत
from
अच्छा
chagrin, mortification,
वर्ड दिया है।
anger.
लेट्स आई
इरिटेबल
वेरी
टेम्परामेंट
गुड। हाँ, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? दूसरा वर्ड क्या दिया है?
Ailments from chagrin,
We,
mortification and anger.
I agree. I totally agree with you. So let's open Allen's keynote. They are called vehement disposition. आप मेरा ये स्लाइड देख रहे हो आप? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ब्रायोनिया दिख रहा है?
हाँ,
ब्रायोनिया, ब्रायोनिया दिख रहा है?
नहीं सर,
हेलो,
अब देखिए।
देखिए ब्रायोनिया
सर,
दिया
दिख रहा
है।
है।
इट इज, हाँ देखो, it is best adapted to person of gouty or rheumatic diathesis prone to call bilious attack, and bryonia patient are irritable and inclined to be vehement. Vehement समझे आप? Vehement, this is the word. Vehement and or black hair, dark complexion, firm muscular fibers, firm
जिद्दी सर, जिद्दी।
slender people. This is very 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 important of ब्रायोनिया। इसको आप आज घर में अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए एलेन्स कीनोट में। This is how you can see lot of bryonia cases. If you don't understand this bryonia from Allen's keynote, you will miss lot of bryonia, because this is the season for bryonia, because bryonia is giving good result in COVID-19 cases. So मेरी एक विनती है कि ब्रायोनिया को यहाँ अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए। ब्रायोनिया पेशेंट्स आर इरिटेबल, inclined to be vehement and angry, dark or black hair, dark complexion, slender people. They are slender people. Wonderful ages. Okay, so we'll come back to reference work again. And let's start.
सर आपकी तरफ से कुछ नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम आ
I
रही है।
have only, yeah. Now, very interesting part again, the sudden attacks, essence of umbellifery. Now, in many cases of umbellifery, you will see lot of sudden unexpected attacks. In many of the cases, you see this symptom. Okay. Now I have done with my slide. I request to ask about any doubt about the practice. I will help you out. So let's start with doubts in the practice. So who will be the first person to ask? कौन पहले पूछेगा?
How do we treat corona patients?
Okay, we should treat corona patient on the level of individuality, holistically, on the basis of totality of the symptom, not just arsenic, not just camphor 1M. We should treat them in a holistic way. We should educate people that they come to you and take whole case taking. This has been my motto since very long. Don't give everyone arsenic, because you will prove lot of arsenic. So this is my answer to your question. Any
How
other?
will we differentiate whether it is corona or not corona? Because
corona.
the picture is coming like this, that people are having 1 or 2 days fever and they get very frightened whether it is corona or not corona, and getting examined is very difficult because no one is ready to see patients with fever.
It is very simple. Whom I am speaking to?
I'm Dr. Sheetal Kabre from Mumbai.
Hello, Sheetal. How are you? Yeah.
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Sheetal. Sheetal, very interesting part because they are all flu-like symptoms, influenza-like symptoms. The hallmark of COVID-19 would be having fever. So any fever cases, if you come down with the syndromic of coughing, then chest problem, this indicates COVID-19. But this is yet to do a lot of research on this part, but it's so simple. Don't worry about the diagnostic part. When you are treating a patient on the level of individuality, you will treat any kind of patient. Believe me, they should come to you and give cases. तो जब भी आप पेशेंट एजुकेट करिए कि वो केस दे, जस्ट आंसनी खाते ना रहे. So it is, this is my learning, but I have not seen, to be honest, any COVID-19 case. So it is difficult for me to tell on this juncture, but this would be my normal practice for all the my patients. Ask them, stay with them, read aphorism 83 to 104 daily. I read, so read Organon a lot and read aphorism 5, read aphorism 6, read aphorism 153. So you'll get answers from that. Okay. Yeah. Any other question, please?
Sir, Devanshi.
Yes, Devanshi.
સર સમ કમ્પ્લેન્ટ્સ મતલબ અમુક કમ્પ્લેન્ટ્સ પેશન્ટને જે હોય છે તે આમ ખબર કેવી રીતે પડે કે એકચ્યુઅલી એ કમ્પ્લેન એટલી બધી નથી પણ સાયકોલોજીકલ છે કે એકચ્યુઅલીમાં પેશન્ટને એટલી પ્રોબ્લેમ છે મતલબ આપણે મતલબ પેશન્ટમાંથી કઢાવી કેવી રીતે શકીએ એકચ્યુઅલીમાં મતલબ ડિફરન્શિએટ કરવું હોય તો
गुड. सी देवांशी, कभी भी आप ऐसा पहले सोच मत लीजिए कि कैसे कढ़ाना है या how you should elicit the symptom of the patient. When you sit in your practice, be open-minded, be clear. Your intention should be clear, and you should read for mental cases. The aphorisms are 210 to 230. कभी भी आप मेंटल डिजीज या साइकिक केस में ट्रीट कर रहे हो तो आप 210 से लेकर 220 एंड 220 टू 230 आप रीड करिए ऑर्गेनॉन को. और ऐसा पहले से मत सोचिए कि हमको उसको कुछ मेंटल सिम्टम निकालना है या फिजिकल सिम्टम निकालना है. ये निकालने वाला एटीट्यूड होगा ना तो वो कभी बोलने वाले नहीं है. See, the case taking starts as the patient takes appointment with you. This is very very clear and very very important. ऐसा मत सोचो कि वो होम्योपैथिक में भी हो सकता है, 15 मिनट पे भी हो सकता है.
Okay, sir.
The organ
Hello.
Hello.
one by one,
Hello.
please.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
आपका नाम
In
बोलिए.
many of PCOD cases after
Yes,
medication,
Swapnil Jain. How are you?
Dr. Swapnil Jain.
Yeah, fine.
Finds
Yes,
cases we
Swapnil.
see menses is there for 2 to 3 months after medication, and again it stops.
Correct.
So what should be done? What is it? Medicine is partial cinema, or we should repeat in high potency, or what should be done?
Wonderful question that you have asked, Swapnil. See, when we treat such hormonal endocrine cases, we should have lot of clarity about the levels of expression, because this hormonal case comes at the level of PNEI. This PNEI system should be very clear because endocrines are the glands which are the most suppressed. So to get the clarity of this polycystic ovarian disease, we should individualize the case and we should use lot of intercurrents that we are not using it. Intercurrently remedies like testosterone, like estrogen, like thyroidinum, we should use, because this will stir up the vital force in many of our cases. I can give you a case of mine where in cases of PCODs, it is very common to have extra growth or extra hair, hirsutism and menstrual irregularity. I started with testosterone 30 and she responded very well. So give testosterone or any Sarcode and the case will open up for a next constitutional remedy. What problem lies? We start with a constitutional remedy in certain cases which is may not be required. So Swapnil, we should start with Sarcodes in certain cases. Don't be prejudiced. Study the case, study Sarcodes and Nosode, and you will get the remedy. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, any question? Manisha Ben is asking 5-cup method. Yeah, Manisha Ben, the 5-cup method I learned from Farooq Master, and it is very interesting way to prescribe to the patient. It works very fast, because when you take one